Hi, this is Jim, and I'll be taking you through the May 2023 MES and MV2 release notes. This release had a few enhancements. One of them is that we added the ability to configure the order status field for the production receipt in mobile. You now have the ability to make that field visible or not, and you can move the position of where that field is displayed. This is configured through the input field settings as seen here. We also enhanced the user experience by removing some remaining old blue gradients that were on the Nest workflow screens. Another thing that we did is we modified the WIP page to disable the multi-select mode when displaying a job search results page. We also enhanced the WIP grid settings and job details settings by adding standard run machine hours to the available variables to choose from for the display. And this can be seen in the screenshot below. The other enhancement we made was a new user interface and user experience for our mobile menu and mobile landing page, and this can be seen in the following two screenshots. Besides those enhancements, there is a short list of defects that were fixed in this release. So that's what we have for this version. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through the contact information below.